All right, Jason, I don't have a TSSM here that I can show you on, but I can explain it to you. The bank angle sensor is made into the TSSM. So basically this older style is made inside the turn signal security module. Works the same way. You know, there's vehicle specific, so some of them are mounted sideways, some are mounted straight up and down. Anyway, regardless of that, if you take to bypass it on a TSSM on your particular year bike, it might be different on different year bikes. But I think 04 through 06, they were the same, and they might carry on further up. You're going to take the security module out, and with the wiring harness still connected to it, it's a little, I guess it's 12-pin connector. You'll see, if you look at the back side of the connector, you'll see numbers stamped on where each pin is. Be like 1 through 12 or whatever it is. They're all the same. So number 1 pin is the common ground for the TSSM. What you're looking for is pin 3, which is the gray and green wire. Now, probably what I'd do in your case, if you're going to bypass it, take that green and gray wire. You know, you might have to cut the conduit back a little bit on that harness. You know, maybe an inch or something, just enough to cut the wire and pull it out a little bit so you can actually get to it. And then strip a little piece off there, solder another piece of wire to it, and then look at where you're going to ground it. You know, put you know, whatever length of wire you need, run it to a good chassis ground with a ringlet on the end of it, so you can just bolt it in there. Use a star washer up underneath of it when you put it in there for a good contact. And that should be it for bypassing that. And I don't remember what years that is. I know it's 04 through 06 is the same, and probably carrying up further than that. If you grab a wiring diagram and look through it, you can see that if one of the wires coming from the module is going to the turn signal security module, and that'll be the ground wire for the module. So in essence, you could also cut it at the module and do the same thing. Cut that wire at the module and run it straight to ground to provide a good solid ground for the module, or ICM, whatever you want to call it. And that's about it, man. Good luck to you. Just good solder, heat shrink to where you made the connection at on the when you're adding wire to it. I'd recommend a good quality heat shrink, the weatherproof type that has the glue in it, so when you heat it up with the heat gun, the glue shoots at the sides of it. That stuff's a lot stronger than normal stuff that you buy. I know I get it at Napa usually, or supply house online somewhere, but just the heavy duty heat shrink works good. And then as far as the ring terminal goes, I usually like to solder those in. So if you get the ring terminal that doesn't have the insulation on it, those are actually best. You put those on, you crimp it a little bit, and put a little dab of solder on there, and use same piece of, you know, about an inch long piece of weatherproof heat shrink on the end of it. Looks neat, lasts forever, or almost forever. Anyway, that's it. Have a good week, man. Let me know how it goes. And guys, take care.